Hello everyone, in today's video we will be discovering how to open and verify your trading account for fast withdrawals or payments. But before I do that, it is very important that you have these following materials as they will help you in the future when the broker asks for your identification during withdrawals. So it is compulsory and cannot be skipped for your own good. These are the following materials. Material A, your personal email. Material B, your phone number. Material C, a valid government issued ID, a passport, national ID, or a driver's license. Choose one. Material D, a utility bill like water, electricity. Most preferred can be your bank statement. It is very easy to attain, so you can just choose one, any one. That is all. Why are they asking for this so much information, you may ask? Well, it's basically going to be your personal account, so they want to make sure when payments are ongoing they are sending the money to the right user, and if not, the user has a two-step verification through these materials for safety reason. That is why it is for your own safety. So you can pause this video right here to get the right materials, then we can start immediately. But if you have them already in your hand, let's start. All right, step one, go under this description. I have made it easy for you to access the platform without stress. Click on the link. It will take you directly to the website, and the first thing you see is register or try free demo. Click on register and you see two stop signs that says click on register. You want to verify that you are a human. This might just take a while. And you see two top signs that says sign in and create an account. Now if you have already created an account, click on the sign in. But if this is your first time, don't worry, I have made a video for first timers to make sure you make no mistakes step by step. So if you're a first timer, click on the video. But if you are not a first timer, continue by watching this video. Click on the sign in section and you will see put in your email address and your password that you use to open this account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this section and put in your email that you use to open this account. You put in your email here, then it will give you a one-time code and you can proceed. Now, I already know my email. I already signed it with them, so I'm just going to put in my email. Once you're done putting your email, it redirects you to a place. It will redirect you to your dashboard and you will see your name. It will say please confirm your identity. On your top of your device, you want to click complete profile. Then it says verify your contact details. You can see you have done 1, 2. It is remaining step 3 for you to have full access of your account. So you press complete now. Then you press investment. You can press any, you can click employed, unemployed, depending on your status right now. For me, I am employed part-time and I'm a student, so you can click anyone. I'll click employed. Then it says which of the following best relates to your occupation. What occupation are you doing? Me, I do a lot of teaching around this forex, so I click education. Now it says please select your primary source of income and wealth. You can select more than one. You can click savings, you can click business sale, you can click employment and salary. You can click more than one answer, but these are the ones I advise you to click. They say what is your estimated total liquid wealth including cash, bank and liquid assets. You can click a reasonable amount. I advise you just click here. What is your annual net income? You can also click here. What is the anticipated annual income you are ready to invest in Exness? You can click any one. You can click one or here. I'll just click 50%. So what is your SFD trading experience with a real money trading account during the last 3 years? Just click here. Click this one. How much time do you spend on market analyzing, reading news and trading per week? Also 4 to 12 hours. Okay. Do you have education, qualification and working experience relevant to SD trading? Just click yes. What would be the required margin for one lot? For one lot, 100,000 euro USD position if your leverage is 100,000. Basically, they are going to be asking you all these questions, so you want to follow the steps that I'm doing, and this is what you would do right here. You open position, your open position may be closed automatically when the market is moved. Now that you are done clicking everything, you want to also click the the financial situation in withdrawals, because why? Trading, it's risky, it has a level form of risk. It has the high risk, medium and low risk, depending on what you agreed to the nature of trading. You want to click this and this, and you click submit. Now it says all set. So when you are done, you want to you go down to real account, you open your, it says open account, then you see standard. It says under standard, the low minimum deposit with no commission rate for all traders. Now they have different type of accounts you can open with. They have the one you can start from 50. They have standard cent. This is a cent account. Then they have pro. This is a pro account. They have raw spread. They have zero. The most popular one here is the standard account. So I will choose here because it has everything that I want. So I will press continue. Then say set up your account. You press USD because you want to receive the money US dollar. Then you put in your nickname, you put in your mass leverage. Please put in 1 is to 100 or 1 is to 50. Anything above 1 is to 200 is very risky, so you want to put 1 is to 100 or 1 is to 50. Then you select the platform MT5. Then your trading password. For those who have already created an account on that first video, the same trading password, it is what you use to open this trading right here. So what you want to do is put in the password. Now you have created an account, and now the next thing I want to do is deposit. Now you can deposit in many forms. You can deposit in bank transfers, bank card, Bitcoin, Netella, or there are so many ways, but the most preferable way is Bitcoin and bank online bank transfer, because it is fast and it takes little than less time for you to receive your money. Once you are done depositing, you put in the amount you want to deposit. Let's say I'm putting 100,000. They'll show you the amount that it will show right there. You put in your bank name. I'm using Access. And once you put in your bank name, after clicking on continue, they will show you a bank you go and deposit the money on. Once you deposit the money on that bank, automatically the money will show on your dashboard right here. I already have an account with them, so I don't need to deposit another one because I already have an account with them. Once you deposit money, the money will show right here. Now if you want to trade the if you want to start trading, you click trade and you click on MT5 web terminal. Now these are your login details, your server, your empty login details. Now I'm going to show you how to log in with your MT5 web terminal. This is what you do. You go here, you go to your MT5, then go to the bottom right hand corner called settings. Then you see new account over there. Once you click new account, there's a plus button. The plus button will direct you to a search bar. Now what you want to do is go back to your website, copy the server. Then once you copy it, you paste the server on the search bar. So when you paste that, automatically you should see your company. And when you do that, you will see two servers. You see the one of Exness Trial 9 and Exness Real 9. Click on Exness Real 9. So without wasting time, go back to your browser. Then you click on the MT5 login, you copy it, then you paste it. Then your password, if you know your password, you enter the password and you sign it. Now if you do not remember the password of your trading account, don't panic. All you have to do is come here, then it says where it says, you see the place where it says change trading password, click on it. Then you put in the password you want to change. You put in the new password that you have made, and they will send a code through your number, so they will verify you. They have sent the code, and you copy the code and you put in the right code, and your password has been changed. Now you can go back and put in the new password that you just made. So once you're done putting in the proper password, the new password, all you have to do is click on that sign in button down below, and your account should show up on your MT5 platform showing $0. Don't worry, if it's showing $0, it means that you have not deposited anything yet. If you want to deposit, you have to go back to the browser, deposit some money, and you are now trading. So that is all, guys. That is how to verify your account. It's going to need a lot of materials, simple materials like your government ID and the rest. And once you do that, they will get back to you in less than an hour or some minutes. Sometimes it takes a minute, but that's all it takes for you to verify your account. So if you found this valuable, just leave a like and comment what you think about this tutorial. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.